trying to sell you with all my shaky words, but you lose me in a moment, in the brine and the surf. Sure enough, it's precious.
It's a wonderful spread, like a big smorgasbord of performing, and I think it really represents what New York is.
We're looking for the right volume, that they play the right volume, appropriateness, are they appropriate for music under New York? We're also looking for someone that's different.
Well, I've already been playing on the subway platforms without a permit, which is legal. It's ambiguous though, but it would be nice to have a permit, be able to book time and play at the bigger stations like this.
We've just wanted to go into the subway because it just puts us in contact more with our city and with everybody here, puts us in contact with the folks living here and the folks visiting, and it's a good learning experience for us, and we'd like to think that we're making people's day a bit better by singing some tunes to them.
It's a great way to share music that sometimes gets lost in this day and age. I think it's really special music, and people get to hear it whether they want to or not.
I have always placed you far above me. I can't imagine why you love me. And after all is said and done, it looks like I'm the lucky one. I can't believe you're